I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you a good girl or a bad girl?
Bad girl. Nice and chill. Daddy?
Yes, baby.
Why are you afraid of mommy?
What?
You gonna be a good boy at church?
Yeah, I'm bad boy at home.
Oh, great.
When I turn to a grown up, I don't want to be a fat grown up. I want to be a skinny grown up.
Do you know any fat grown-ups?
It's more right French. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you try to show your butt off, it's flat.
Really? What did you tell me?
You are a little fat, but you're still beautiful to me.
Thank you.